MySQL database integration with Patient Microservice, Spring Boot with the Microservice Architecture. Add the MySQL connector dependency in the form.xml. Next, the application.yaml file, MySQL database configuration, write the data source, URL, port number 3306, MySQL port. I have defined the chinnadevtech database. I use the chinnadevtech database, username and password in the real time, username and password encrypted format in the GitHub or Bitbucket or coming videos. I use the GitHub in the encrypted format, username and password. Write the driver class, MySQL JDBC driver class, JPA configuration, Hibernate, DDL auto, automatically create the database tables by using the DDL auto, show SQL, display the in the IntelliJ IDEA console what are the queries. The patient entity, I define the patient entity, I define the patient's database table, run the application, run the patient microservice application. The time constraint, go to MySQL database. In the MySQL database, create the database, chinnadevtech database I want to create. Refresh the schema. It is a created database. Use the database, right? Successfully use it. Hit the thick format. Go to our project. It's build the project. When is up and running, it is automatically create the patient table in the MySQL database. Automatically create the database table in the MySQL. Yes, successfully up and running our patient microservice. Go to database, refresh the schema. See, it is automatically create the patient table. Paste to the patients. Paste the patient table. What are the columns? Okay, those columns in the patient table, and check the patient table, any records available or not by using the select query or star from patients. Select star from patient. Now I run the patient table. Nothing is there, no records available in a patient table. I want to insert the record in the database. Go using the Postman REST endpoints. I defined the JSON data for the patient. Hit the REST endpoint. Successfully check the record. Successfully inserted, and I want to update the record. Provide the ID for the patient. I want to update the mobile number 99. Send the REST endpoint. Reason is not providing the particular ID. That's why. Send the record. Update the record. Successfully updated. 66 last 2 digits. Select query run. Successfully updated. And check get the particular record. It is also successful. So get all records. Currently only one record. It's display. I want to delete this record. Provide the ID. Delete REST endpoint. successfully deleted. Check the database table. Check the database table. Nothing is there. Successfully deleted. Check the database for application. These are the queries automatically display in the console. Copy and paste in the notepad ++. See, say, select a query, insert query, those things successfully integrated with the MySQL database. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Any doubt, comment the comment box. I will reply on the comments. Thank you. Thank you for listening.